What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Bass Union. So we're at Lake Oroville. This is part 4. We've been getting a lot of drone footage around the lake. Today I'm at the Bidwell bridge. I'm gonna put the drone up and get some content around this area. I'm gonna try to get some footage around the entrance of the Bidwell, where all the houseboats are. Really just want to show you guys what this low water level looks like on this body of water. Lake Oroville, a little history, is my home lake. I've lived here all my life. Actually grew up in Berry Creek, and to see, you know, what the fires have done to this area, and now, you know, with the water level, it's just, I feel like we just can't get a break. So want to take a few minutes to show you this footage. Oh, and in case you guys have been wondering, I haven't gone out and done much fishing lately. The boat has been getting some, you know, maintenance done on the boat. The truck getting all prepared, getting ready for next season. You know, next year we got a pretty solid tournament schedule. You know, I'm really looking forward to it. A bunch of the big circuits came out with their schedule, and getting the wrap done, in the process of getting that done for the boat, and just trying to get everything done beforehand before it really starts getting busy in January. If you guys like to see any other parts of the lake, go ahead and let me know. Put a comment down below. Appreciate you guys. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and enjoy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little bit of drone footage. Like I said, we just put it up and just got a little bit of this area, the entrance to the Bidwell Marina, you know, just around Bidwell Bridge and this part of the main body. I forgot to mention earlier in the video, the water level is at 628. So it's only gone down a foot since our last video. So it's holding steady. We just need a little bit of rain. Pray for rain, we get it. And you know, once we have access to this lake again, I'll be doing guided trips. So if you guys would like to book a trip, go and check out bassunionfishing.com. And if you guys would like to support the channel, go ahead and pick up some of our new merch, our hats. We sell tackle, we have jigs, just a lot of good stuff if you guys like to bass fish. So check us out. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.